So what happened was, Dad built this dragster in the start of the 2022 season and was just building a better car that was faster and easier for us to run. And he sold our old dragster. And we ran this dragster all year and did good with it. It ran fast. Cameron got to drive it. Scott got to drive it. Joe Morrison got to drive it. It had a couple of drivers over the year, and it went fast and did good. And now it's leaving.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you again.
This is probably gonna be the last time I get to sit in this car. So what is happening today is the new owners of the dragster are coming to pick it up, and while they're here we're going to teach them about the car, because that's something Dad always does when he sells a car. But first, we need coffee.
Cute. Are you guys okay?
If you've never been to a Black Rifle Coffee, they are like the coolest thing ever, so try and get to one. Also, Black Rifle, if you'd like to sponsor us, that'd be great. We own a funny car. So, I don't actually get any coffee from Black Rifle, but I get hot chocolate, and their hot chocolate is to die for. Okay, now let's go burn some nitro. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to take the car apart and put a rack in it and put it together and teach all these guys how to put it together. Then we're going to take it out in the yard and start it. But the way Dad always explains it is it's going to take them 5 times of servicing it before they have any idea what's actually going on, and then 25 times before they fully understand everything that they're doing. So since Dad and Marbles and I have done it a bunch on our car, we're going to be able to teach them and help them in learning about all this stuff. And then Sydney, the driver, is out with Miss Heather in the trailer, and Miss Heather's teaching her how to build racks. We have the entire Sherrick Motorsports team here learning about race cars. Okay, so what happened is we took the dragster apart and put it back together and showed all these guys how all that stuff works, and then took it back apart again, and next thing we're going to do is throw a rack in it and put it together all the way, and we're going to start it out here in the parking lot. How are you feeling about the dragster leaving, Mr. Terry?
I'm going to shed a tear. I'm going to miss it a little.
A little bit? A wee bit?
A wee bit, just a little.
So, this is Mark, the new owner of the
Hello.
dragster.
Hey.
I'm Mark. This is Sydney. She's the real owner of the dragster.
Hi.
Alright, we're over here teaching these guys how to put the heads on the car. It's going well so far.
Slow but well.
Yeah, slow but well. Also, let's let the internet settle this debate. Alright, what does the internet think of this hat? It's,
How about not the hat on you, how about the hat on me?
Alright, we'll put the hat on him.
That way it doesn't look like, you know, you're a 12-year-old trying to be grown.
We all think the hat's kinda but comment below. Alright, Mr. Mark has officially put his first head on a top fuel car.
Yay!
What are you holding there, Sydney?
The 4-volt thing in there.
I'm supervising and making dumb jokes. I'm very helpful. Miss Sydney Shaw, our newest dragster trainee, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. It's a lot to take in, but you'll do great.
Thanks. I sure hope so.
Yeah.
Trust your dad with my life.
Yeah. She's got a great teacher and dad. Okay, so they have the dragster put together. They're untorquing the rods real quick, and tomorrow morning we're gonna get up and push it out into the yard, and we're gonna start it and let Sydney get her first taste of nitro. That's going to be pretty cool, but I am going to go upstairs and get some school done and go to bed. It's past my bedtime. See y'all in the morning. Alright, I came down here for a few minutes to sit in the dragster. I guess this morning wasn't my last time sitting in it, but we've had some really good memories with this car and some really bad ones. Sonoma. But as happy as I am to see it go, I'm also really sad to see it go because it's a cool car. It's a really nice car. I like this car, but it's good to see it going to a really good home, and we're still gonna get to play with it occasionally, which is gonna be fantastic. And sorry, Mr. Foray, your hoopty is no longer available. But yeah, I like this thing. Maybe someday we'll have another one. For the record, I really don't like change. It's not something I'm fond of. When Austin was leaving, I was heartbroken and thought the world was going to end. And then I came and had a ton of fun with Max when he was here. And it's feels like when I get out of this car and when I go turn the light off, even though we're gonna see this car again, we're going to get to play with it again. It feels like we're closing a chapter on it, which is good because we're gonna get to go run the funny car, but it's still sad. We are back. We get to burn some nitro today. Let's do this. Driver training is happening. Dad is the best teacher for all this stuff that you will ever meet. It's really cool to watch. And it's cool watching it after I've got the experience of driving. Gonna be the last time this car rolls out of the shop. Alright, we're fixing to warm up the dragster with Miss Sydney in it.
What?
You ready, Miss Sydney?
Yes, I am.
You ready, Mr. Terry?
Yeah.
The shop's a wee bit full of nitro right now. Just a wee bit. Pretty cool in here. We got 3 funny cars side by side. And on that note, we're going to end this video here. It's sad seeing the dragster go, but it's also a good thing, and we'll get to play with it in about a month and a half at Funny Car Chaos, hopefully in March. So keep an eye out for that video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTubey things, and never give up. And the dragster's on its way out. Peace
And I'll
out,
tell
race
you
car.
all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all